Hello there, welcome back to our vocabulary fun class, and today we will learn words which start from A, B and C, and we are gonna learn those words by making stories. So today all of you guys are gonna learn by listening to stories. What you guys all should have, just your ears, maybe your headphones, and just your brain, okay? And the big brain also works. So listen to me till this video ends, okay? So let's start with A. So we have 5 words, okay? We are gonna make stories by using words. We have 5 words which starts from A. The first one is annoying, angry, amazing, afraid, and the last one I will use in that story. So now let's make a story by using these words. And I know all of you guys know about the meanings of these words. Angry means like we are angry. We have seen something and we are like in gussa. Okay, angry. And then afraid, like हम किसी चीज़ से डर रहे हैं. Afraid मतलब डरना. Then afraid, angry, amazing, बहुत अच्छी चीज़. ओके, चलिए अब हम स्टोरी बनाते हैं. Now one day there was a boy named Aman, and he opened the door of his house, and he listened one voice from outside that was new, and he felt that it is a ghost. He was afraid, but when he just went outside, and he have seen one cat who was wearing his t-shirt. He was smiling and also thinking that it was amazing, or it is amazing, but also annoying, because he was thinking that now his t-shirt is gonna smells like a fish. Okay, so after some time his mother came and she got angry. Why? Because cat was wearing his her son's t-shirt, so she got angry. And also she was saying that, oh Aman, your cat has best manners as compared to you for wearing clothes. Like your cat knows better than you how to wear clothes. His mom by smiling too. So this is a story. It's funny, and also you have learned 5 words, and now you are gonna tell me what is the 5th word. Okay, that is annoying. Okay, so now we have learned 5 words by making one interesting story, one funny story. Okay, there was a one boy whose name was Aman. He was alone at his home, and he heard one voice from the outside that was a voice of cat mew, but he thought that it is a ghost, and he got afraid. And after some time, when he opened the door of his house, he saw one cat who was wearing his t-shirt. मतलब उस cat ने उसकी t-shirt पहन रखी थी, and he was smiling and also thinking that it is annoying but also amazing, but because he has seen this thing for the very first time. मतलब ये चीज़ अमेजिंग भी थी और अनोइंग भी थी. अनोइंग मतलब ख़राब करने वाली भी. क्योंकि द कैट वॉज वेयरिंग हिज टी शर्ट, एंड कैट्स में से अलग सी स्मेल आती है जो कि बहुत सी वियर्ड सी होती है. जैसे फ़िश में से स्मेल आती है वैसी होती है. सो इट वॉज अनोइंग टू. और जब उसकी मदर आई तो वो भी एंग्री हो गई, वो गुस्सा हो गई, क्योंकि कैट ने उसकी टी शर्ट पहन रखी थी और वो ये भी कह रही थी कि अमन, तुम्हारी कैट को ज़्यादा मैनर से कपड़े पहनने के एज़ कम्पेयर टू यू. Now the next words are which starts from B. The first one is brave, busy, boring and broken. Okay, and now we are gonna make story by using these words. So now let's get started our session of making story. Okay, so once upon a girl whose name was Babli, and she was very beautiful. And once upon a day she wanted to make one video on YouTube about cooking. Okay, she wanted to make one video. but um, broken. But she said, no problem. I'll cook by using candlelight. And after 1.5 hours, she cooked, and her food was looking like black clouds. And her friend said, even mosquitoes wouldn't eat it because it's so boring. But Bubbly smiled and said, I was busy in making smoke art. So now you have learned these words by creating one story. That is brave, boring, beautiful, and last two words you are gonna tell me in the comment box. And if you want words which starts from C, let me know in the comment box. I'll create one video related to those words, and in that video I'll use 10 words in one story. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you.